Here's a simple side hustle that literally anyone can do in 2023, and I'm gonna show you how. And the best part is, you don't even have to show your face. So let's go. Go to ChatGPT and type in 30 quotes about mental health. This can honestly be anything, but this is just what I'm personally doing. And then let ChatGPT do its thing. Next, you're gonna copy all 30 quotes, and then you're gonna paste them into an Excel. Then you're gonna save it as a CSV file. And head over to Canva and go to your story. It's gonna give you a blank template. And then in the search bar, type in quotes and then scroll until you find a template that you love. Once you have your design, you're gonna come over here to apps and then bulk creation. Then you're gonna upload that CSV that you saved. Then hover over the words, click these 3 dots, and then go ahead and click connect data and select your quotes. Then come over here and press continue and generate. Within seconds, all of your pages are now bulk created. And I typed into Google 12 best mental health affiliate programs in 2023, and then this site came up. I then scrolled through them and picked one that I loved with a high affiliate commission. Once I find the product that I love, I then sign up to be an affiliate for this company. I would then create 2 new social medias and take the content that you created in your niche and start posting it consistently on those social medias to grow your following. Then place the affiliate link in your bio and make passive income for years to come. Follow me for more ways to make money from home.